My bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride his dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. 10 different looks, so my lips so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's wheels on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop, touch me, I'll shoot. Shake a little ass, you get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast and get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I gotta fly, I need a jet, shit. I need room for my legs. I got a Benz, I need some money, shit. I need cheap for my ass. All y'all bitches in trouble. Bring brass knuckles to scuffle. I heard that Cardi went pop, yeah. I did go pop. That's me, bustin' that bubble. I'm designing with the drip, baby mommy with the clip. Work out bodies with a bitch. So what are you doing back?
Well, I sat back and thought about the things we used to do. It really meant a lot to me. You mean a lot.
I like to dive right in, hell no. I don't hesitate, Mr. Let my pants sag. You could call me Kevin Gates, I could take you home, work you out, make your body soar like a dagger. My swag need a bodyguard. Used to get it wetter than a river, would you let it pour? That was just a metaphor, kinda interested in my song that she singing. Got it hard to pay attention, cause my phone steady ringing. I know you got a man, ain't no replacing that. Just wanna be your friend, I know you straight with that. Man, everything I said, but never take it back. Give me a call, real dog, I'ma break the rag. Work it on the dance floor, you don't really care who see. Party full of people.
This is pretty cool. It's not what I would call clear, but it was designed to be installed in a car, not free aired, so that's why it sounds kind of tinny when it's not directly pointing towards you. This thing I already know. Just having two 6x9s, two of these in the back of my car, will be enough surface area, I think, like equivalent to an 8-inch subwoofer. It won't be amazing bass, but it will be good bass. Way better than the stock system that came with my Corolla. It's pretty cool. Only thing about these that you need to be careful about is that there appears to be a very large gap here between the tweeter, I guess, stem thing and the actual woofer cone. So you can get debris, hair, dust in there. You don't want to get stuff in there. And that is probably why CT Sounds included a, hold on, cover to put on, which will greatly reduce the chance of something horrible happening in there. And most cars, hopefully, you have, you're not just tearing off panels and leaving them off. You would put it back on your trim panel pieces so that debris and water and stuff can't get into the voice coil. And just in case you were wondering, the tweeter does not pivot. I know it kind of looks like it can. It does not pivot. That's a little bit of a bummer. I mean, it's not awful, but I mean, you know, what was it? $100+ for 2 of these, new on Amazon. I would expect maybe that would just be like a nice to have to be able to pivot your tweeter, especially. And here's why I say that. That's a great thing if you have 6x9s in your doors. I think a lot of Ford vehicles have like 5x7s or 6x9s in the doors. In that event, you do want to have a pivot tweeter, I guess. This is pretty heavy too. Nice and heavy CT Sounds. I think you can take off this weird like rubber. If it's not too hard, I'll go ahead and do it. Let's take that off. I can't. I don't know. I'm probably not going to do it. It's not as easy as it was looking there. Yeah, not that easy.